Hi, this is Kenny. I'm making this video to pass on the cheer. I actually make a habit of being happy. I wake up every morning, I put my feet on the floor, and I say thank you, thank you, thank you for another day. Thank you for the opportunity to enjoy this day, to have another opportunity of doing good, to be a blessing to others. And then I get in the habit of being grateful. I recite to myself 5 to 10 things that I'm grateful for. I'm grateful that I just slept in the most comfortable bed that I could ever think of. I'm so grateful that my wife is with me and I have a wonderful wife. I'm grateful that I live where I want to live. I get to enjoy the beach. I get to go for walks on the sand and enjoy the beach life. I get to enjoy having the freedom to work at home. And I'm blessed that we live in America. I'm blessed that we have the freedom that we do. A lot of people, they just take things for granted. I have the ability to catch some awesome sunsets, and sometimes when we're up early in the morning we can see the sunrise, but we see more sunsets than we do sunrises. But people just don't stop and take in the awesomeness of where we live, the awesomeness of what our world is comprised of, and the awesomeness of the people that inhabit it. And like they're in so much of a rush to get things done, to go somewhere, that they just totally ignore stuff that's coming to them. Like once you're in the mood of receiving and feeling good and gratitude, then you start observing things instead of being a victim. Things happen to you during the day, and you can observe, saying, well, that's something that I was just thinking of this morning. And poof, there it is. The universe came back to you and said, here it is. Here's what you wanted. Whereas if you have the victim mentality, then you're like, oh, poor me, poor old me. Everything just happens to me. I got up and I couldn't find my shoes, and I lost my car keys, and now I'm late, and it just snowballs from there. And you just kind of got to be an observer and maybe say, well, if I would just get up 10 minutes earlier, or if I would put the keys at the same place every time, then I wouldn't be running into this. But being an observer instead of a victim pays off very highly as far as being able to find out what your emotional state is too. If you're feeling bad, then you can kind of analyze, well, what just happened to make me feel this way? And then you can say, well, that was because such and such happened, and now I feel better that it's done with, and now I can change it and make it better, or learn from it and do things differently, instead of instantly losing your temper or being a victim or something like that. So we invite you to try it out. I'm actually known in our little neighborhood as the woohoo guy, because I'm always walking around happy and woohoo, laughing and hugging people and giving people confidence and giving them cheers, and spreading the good news about being able to live and being able to enjoy life. You have to enjoy life now, not later, not in the past. You have to enjoy it now. So I make a habit of being happy, and it's contagious. I make a habit of being happy not only in my personal life, but in my relationships and in my business. In my business, I actually attract people that I love doing business with. We actually have an affiliate marketing and a passive income business, and things just pop into my lap that I've been attracting. Things that I put out there come back to me. A small example is with physical stuff. We had a storage shed, and it got broken into, and we lost some bikes and golf clubs and our LED TV. And then not even a week later, a friend of mine said, hey, I got a job cleaning out a house, can you give me a hand? And we went to go clean it out, and the people had left behind a whole set of golf clubs and bicycles that were better than the ones that I had, and I brought it home. And then the next day after that, another friend of mine came up and said, "Hey, come on over. I just bought a TV, and we got this old one that we're not using. You guys need a TV?" And I said, "Yeah, sweet." So you got to be observant. You got to expect things in life. And the same with your business. If you get out there and do your business every day and be grateful that you're working something that you love and that you can give value to others and that you can just do one piece at a time, do one thing one day at a time, and let it snowball into your big goal. But you got to have big goals and break them down into small goals. So I invite you to connect with us. You can either comment on this video or find us online. Our web presence is getadailyincome.com. We specialize in affiliate marketing and passive income programs, and we enjoy making money with affiliate marketing and taking that money and putting it into passive income programs like Bitcoin and key money and stuff like that. You'll have to check out our website to see what kind of programs we're involved in, but the main thing is that be happy. Try to get in the habit just for the next 21 days. Get in the habit of waking up every morning, being grateful, and finding that emotional feeling that you feel, and keep that alive and remember that. And when things start happening to you, don't be a victim. Be an observer. Observe why you're feeling that way and talk yourself up. Talk yourself up. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. An example that I like to give is like, if you say, "I feel great," what kind of emotion is behind that? But if you say, "I feel great," you can feel your body change. You can feel your body feeling better. But if you, "I feel great, woohoo," you can feel that energy in your body. You can feel the emotion go through your blood. And it's the same way with talking to yourself and getting yourself motivated to feel good, to expect things. So we look forward to connecting with you and hope to see you sometime in the future. But in the meantime, make it a habit of feeling good. Talk to you later.